no, no. Oh, oh, no, no, no. My baby keeps moving like a rolling stone. Oh, oh, no, no, no. My baby keeps moving like a rolling stone. Oh, oh, no, no, no. My baby keeps moving like a rolling stone. Oh, oh, no.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is Beauty with Kat, and today I'm here to give you guys another wig review. I am reviewing another wig from Klaiyi Hair. Y'all, I definitely want to try this ginger lace wig. Everything about this wig will be in my description box below, so make sure you guys are checking that out. So then I am going to use my Fenty Beauty foundation in the color 420. Luckily, I am glad I didn't have to cut off extra ear flaps for this wig because, I don't know, I just get nervous when I have to cut the wigs on the side of my ear because it's like, it just feels like I'm cutting into the wig. So make sure y'all are being careful with that step if you have to cut off the ear flaps. So right now I am laying this down with my Got To Be spray. When a wig gets me excited, I get to dancing, almost like some good food, y'all. When the food good, you know you got to do a little jig because you just can't believe how good it is. I get so excited with wigs that act right. So let's talk about the pros and cons. The pros that I have with this wig, this color, I just love how vibrant this color is. The texture was extremely soft, very curly, very manageable. Like, I was able to wet her, and I was able to add my Nairobi setting lotion into her to bring some of the curls back. Shedding was at a minimal because I was manipulating and making sure the hair was curly, and you know, I was doing a lot of manipulation with this actual wig. But I love these curls, y'all. I really do. I love how easy it was to put this wig on. It wasn't too much work as far as the lace. The lace is very durable. You don't have to worry about your lace ripping. Now, if you are heavy-handed, please be careful. This lace was very easy to work with. Blending it into your complexion, using whatever complexion product you have, is going to be easy. A con I will have with this wig, didn't have anything to really complain about. Like, I really love this wig, like 10s across the board, for real. So yeah, that says a lot, y'all. So that concludes today's video. I truly appreciate y'all for tuning in and supporting my channel. Thank y'all to the ones that's been there. Welcome to the ones that's just getting here. I appreciate all of y'all. And like always, thank y'all so much for coming back to my channel. I appreciate y'all every single time. And I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.
What a day, what a day.